Hi guys, may buntag. Diyami sa lungsod guys. Yeah. Manguha mi og kanang krabi. Just wait for your daddy. Di kayo high tide. Okay ra guys, kay crab raman. Among panguhaon. Okay, wa na ko nakita na ko among fishing line. Hindi ka ito nasok-sok. Next time na lang guys. Na nami dangit guys for crab. Mga kami og crabby guys. Oh yeah, sa gala there. The lighthouse. Tagay nang hagkuan guys. Oh, look the tractor. Look the buggy. Look. It's swimming in the water. Look the buggy. Oh, look the boat. Guys, so manguha mi crab guys. Panangan ni alas 8 na sa buntag ko, alas 8 sa buntag guys. Manguha mi og kuan. Kasag. Dugay-dugay na wa kakaog kasag guys. Yeah, you can. Look the buggy in the water, look. Guys, oh, hinaw kaayo, init kay karon guys. 34 nga niya siguro, 30 pa. I saw a swan over there. A swan, a big swan. Ay, a swan, a pelican. Yeah, there's a pelican, I think. A swan, that I'm wrong. There's a pelican. A big one, look. Hi, good morning. Look, that's it. There's someone walking in there. Tinaw kaayo ang tubig. In here. Yeah, in here my bag. Look, a pelican over there. Yeah, someone do camping in there. See it? I see it over there. It's a nice boat over there, oh, fishing boat. Look, a buggy swimming on the water. Look!
I just see gone away.
What is that then?
It is in the water.
Look, the boat is going to the water. Yeah, cause someone over there, oh, do fishing. Too far away. Oh, this is two pelican over there. Yeah, look. See it? There's two pelican over there, look. Next to the camp.
See two of them. Look, let's go.
Oh, guys, oh, fishing boat, guys.
There's one next to it and one near.
Muha mi kasa, guys. Mga krabi. Blue swimmer crab.
Three of them.
Lang to, guys. Update na mo niya. Makakuha mi. Og
What is that?
krabi.
That's